This is a great day for the Swansea University Science and Innovation Campus. It's a reality. We can see it now. Only a few months ago the First Minister was here and it was just an open space of land. Now we see the buildings going up fast, all to time in terms of opening this fantastic new facility. We wouldn't be here if we hadn't invested in this. This is public investment. It's money from the Welsh Government, from European Union structural funds, the European Investment Bank, and it's a partnership with the private sector, with St Modwyn's, with Vinci, Ledbetter, all playing their part. This is about not just learning and science and business opportunities, but it is today about how the construction sector is benefiting from a £450 million project.
Well, the campus is a modern, forward-looking 21st century university type campus where we're sharing space with major companies that we work with. This is an economic regeneration project, and European money has been fundamental. And it wouldn't have been possible without massive support from Europe, and that came first of all from the European Investment Bank, and we were hugely encouraged when they looked at what we were doing and said, this is the best project we have seen in the whole of Europe.
We bought the site in late 2009 and have spent the last 3 or so years working with the university to bring this together. Even just the construction element alone has a massive impact. There are skills that are learned on the construction site here, then they're transferred to other sites that are being developed. That all the skills in terms of bricklaying and construction will move up there, as that's a sort of a long-term project.
You know, let's be proud here in Swansea and this region that we have, as far as supporting a modern economy and merging here, we have the best project the European Investment Bank has seen to date in Europe.